How to fix NVIDIA control panel not opening on Windows 11. Here are some possible fixes. 1. Update the NVIDIA control panel via NVIDIA driver at https://www.nvidia.com/download/index.aspx. 2. Remove existing NVIDIA graphics drivers from control panel, then reinstall it using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide. 3. Run NVIDIA control panel as an administrator. 4. Open NVIDIA control panel in Windows Clean Boot. Or, simply, disable antivirus or firewall programs temporarily. 5. Restart all NVIDIA related services.